Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. So I have a set update. So if you guys remember, I did the little like holes on the bags to make them a crossbody, right? Okay, so I did the Trader Joe's bag with you guys, and I did the same exact thing to this bag. Okay, I put these on and I took this bag to the park, guys, and guess what? It fell off. Yep, it fell off. It kind of like stretched out the little hole that I had made, and it fell off. And I was like so upset. So I was like, okay, obviously this did not work. I'm here to tell you guys it did not work. Don't do it. I know it'll probably work on like thicker material that does not stretch easily like this does, like leather and stuff, but for the canvas it's gonna be a no-no, guys. So I'm here to fix that. Yep, look what I bought. I went on Amazon and I got this little Grommets bundle thing. Look, it even says for canvas. Okay, so we can't mess this up again. And I will for sure, if I'm wrong in something, I'll tell you guys, okay? This better work. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna take it back to the park and then basically test it out, guys. Maybe it's because I packed her too much, but guys, it needs to work regardless, you know? So yeah, those didn't work. I got these. So with these, I'm just gonna like basically make it a little hole and then add the strap to that. You know, this should be more what do you call it, like firm? That's not the word I want, but more enforcement. There you go. Yeah, so it comes with this tool. It's pretty heavy. There is different sizes. Whatever size you want, that is the size that you would use. Okay, and I am doing this for the first time ever. I've never done it. Because with gold, silver, I got both because I do have my Trader Joe's bag. I did silver on that one, so I have both already. This is, let me see, it actually has instructions. Good, because I don't know what I'm doing. We're doing this together, guys. Just because, you know, I know how to do some things doesn't mean I know how to do everything, okay? So we're trying this together. Place the grommet into the upper mold. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, place the washer into the lower mold. Place material in mold center, then press handle. Thin materials, no extra hole punching needed. Install the eyelet directly. Okay, so it comes with this to make the hole. So shout out to Lori, guys. She was like, you're using that wrong. So she told me what's for to make the hole, guys. I just did it a little different because, you know, I'm very buff, I guess. I don't know, I got good muscles. I'm just playing. But yeah, so look, this is the way you use it. Thicker material. First, use the included hole punch tool to pre-drill a hole, then install the grommet as instructed. Place the grommet into the upper mold. Place the washer into the lower mold. Place material in mold center, then press handle. So this is gonna make the hole to make it more better for this. Okay, use manual. So this is a grommet tool kit. Okay, so we're gonna go like this, kind of like that. Okay, okay. We need this there, but I don't know how it's gonna work because this is a little in the way. It's gonna go like that, and I don't have a hammer, so we're using this. Put it more for you guys. Like that. You know what? I'm doing it my way. Okay, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Well, you know what? Since I have the hole there already, I'm just gonna go like this. This is easier for me. Don't judge me. Look at that. That was so much easier than all of this. Maybe I'll go like that so I don't mess up my fingers. Lori, don't judge me, okay? This is just easier for me. Look at that. Okay, so I made the hole. And now, look at that big hole. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to take one of these. And then one of these. I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous. Okay. Like I said, I know I usually show you guys how to do everything, but you know what? Today we're testing. Oh, I got 2. Whoa, I had 4. Oh my god. I'm scared. Okay. So where's the instructions again? So this one goes here. Like that. Okay. And then this one goes here. And then this side it goes up, okay, right? Yeah, that's what it looks like. Hopefully I'm doing it right. Oh, it's like a little magnetic, I think that's why it stays. Guys, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh my god, is it even gonna fit? I'm just gonna put this through the hole. I'm gonna make sure it's in the hole. Because I guess that's the way to like tell that it's there. Can you guys see that? It's like through the hole, okay? And I'm gonna press. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm so scared. I don't know how hard I'm supposed to press. Okay, I think this should be good. I did it! Look at that. Perfect. I think I did pretty good, right? Look at that. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. I did that. Can you believe it? Oh my god. Look. I think I might need to press it a little harder. Okay. Oh my gosh, I did it, guys. Okay, so here's one. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one, and guys, I'll be back. Okay, look at that. It's on there. Hopefully this works. If not, I don't know what else. I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna take this off because this was pointless. I'm still gonna keep this in for future uses, maybe. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Look at the Mickey. Oh, he got squished. Oh well. I'll probably try to rip that off and do it again. Hey guys, so there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and add the strap. So I got this one. I forgot the size of the ones that I got. This is the boxes. It doesn't say here, but I'll put it like somewhere on the screen because I wanted it to be big enough to get the strap, you know. Let me see. Like that. You know. So here goes nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and test these out. Like I said, I'm gonna take the bag again to the park, or maybe, I don't know, somewhere around, and see how these do instead, you know. I was so upset the other one didn't work, but hey, if it's DIY, that's how you learn, right? by doing stuff yourself. So here goes nothing. Hopefully these do better, and I'll update you guys, okay? So don't forget to like and subscribe if you love fun crafty DIYs, and we'll learn together, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.